Hi everybody. I think we're having a tornado warning here. There's some vicious clouds in the air raid sirens are going off, meaning there's a severe storm just about right overhead, I guess. I do see this big thing here. I hope it's not a tornado coming towards us. Actually, this whole thing could be a tornado. Oh, good grief. Look at this thing. Hey, did you get that lightning? Wow. Must be this cloud right here. Ooh. Did you see that? Not even raining here, although it's starting to. Let's see, we're gonna head on to the porch quickly. Well, the air raid sirens just stopped. I think that's good, but this cloud is still right here, getting closer and closer. Starting to rain too. Get up here on the porch.